So this is MYNX venous closure device. It's approved for French sizes up to 12 French. And so to prepare the device, what I've done is I've filled this syringe that comes with the device up to about 3 cc's here. And what I'm doing is I'm testing the balloon to make sure that it's going to work once it's inside the body. So I'm inflating here, I'm looking at the balloon, and then my eyes go to the back of the device, and I'm looking for white, black, white. Now I know it's ready, and I can move it to the patient for insertion. So we just finished our AFib ablation. We swapped out a long deflectable sheath for a short sheath so we could use the MYNX closure device. I have 2 sheaths on each side, an 8 and a 9 on the left, and then 2 8s here on the right. So we used heparin. ACT was up to about 350 during the procedure. We just stopped that, just gave protamine, but I don't have to wait for the ACT to come down. So we'll put 2 of these on each side. You can see the balloon going in. There's a catch device here that will catch the sheath. I'm going to rotate this way so I can see the indicator. I'm going to look back here. I'm going to increase the pressure on the balloon to inflate it inside the body, looking at the white, black, white indicator, and then I'm going to close it so it keeps the balloon open. That's going to be my hemostatic pressure in the vein, and I'm pulling back, pulling back, pulling back. I feel some pressure here, and I notice that the indicator is lined up. I can deploy the PEG solution, and then I'm going to wait 2 minutes. While I'm waiting, I'm going to go ahead and deploy the second device. I don't have to wait. Again, we're all the way in, we're rotating, we've clipped onto the sheath here. I'm going to lift, inflate the balloon, looking for this indicator, keeping the balloon inflated by closing that. I'm just gently pulling back until I get a little bit of tension. My indicator lines up, and I deploy the PEG there. So now I'm waiting 2 minutes on these, pulling back on the valve here, take out all the air. We have about 2 minutes to wait. In this case, you can see a little bit of bleeding here. That's often seen. It usually stops after just a few seconds. I like to keep it clean though. Okay. Okay, so we've waited our 2 minutes. I'm just going to stabilize these one at a time. Open that again, press the number 2 button. The device comes out. And do the same thing here with the second closure device. Everything comes out. And we hold pressure for about a minute. It's been about a minute of pressure since deployment. So we're removing the gauze and we have hemostasis. Great result. I would say 3 words to describe the MYNX. Efficient, reliable, and easy.